My name is Nathalie Dupont, Planète Enfants et Développement Regional Representative for Cambodia and Vietnam. Planète Enfants et Développement is a French NGO born in Cambodia in 1984, devoted for vulnerable children and now present in 3 other countries, Vietnam, Nepal and Burkina Faso. Today, quite around 167 million of children are living in extreme poverty. 60 million don't go to school, and a lot of them suffer from domestic violence. Even in Cambodia, 50% of the children face in their life a sort of domestic violence. Girls are particularly deprived from their rights. Our mission is to build a world where every children are protected from any kind of violence and discrimination and can grow surrounded by their families and communities. When Planète Enfants et Développement was created in Cambodia in 1984, the country was trying to get out after the Khmer Rouge period. People were living in very, very difficult conditions. Today's Planète Enfants et Développement is currently involved in 3 areas. First, early childhood care and development, because the first age of the children are the most important. And moreover, because in Cambodia, a lot of children are left behind. Left behind because their parents have to go to the big cities or abroad to work and can be away from their house for months and months, sometimes for years. So for this area, we work with local authorities, commune council, to support them in bringing early childhood services in the villages, for example, community preschool or parenting projects. We work with our local partner, Tosarium, for developing a resource center which provides community teacher training and which create pedagogical games. And third, we cooperate with enterprise, particularly the garment sector, for implementing inside daycare. Secondly, we work in the social area through carrying out what we call family development project. It's a quite innovative method which permits to the very vulnerable families living in the poor urban areas of the towns to give by their own the solution to solve their problems. We are talking about really poor family living perhaps only with $120 per month. We have introduced very recently new components, fight against gender-based violence and fight against climate change, as these areas are suffering a lot on flooding. Last, we are involved in maternal and reproductive health. Our approach consists in training community peer educators who accompany the women during their pregnancy, answer to their questions, and improve the link with the health center. Meanwhile, we train and we coach the midwife in the health center in order them to get better practices. Nowadays, we carry out the same work in the garment sector enterprise. Promote Cambodia self-development is our vision, and we are very proud to observe that after 30 years, many of our approaches are now part of the legal framework.